Ever pondered the labyrinth that is meal planning for a ketogenic diet? Well, let's take a moment to demystify it. Meal planning for a ketogenic diet might seem complex at first glance, but it's actually quite straightforward. You see, the key lies in understanding the fundamentals of this diet. The ketogenic diet, often shortened to keto, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It's predicated on the principle of reducing your carbohydrate intake significantly and compensating for it by increasing your intake. This dietary alteration triggers a metabolic state in your body known as ketosis. In this state, your body begins burning fats instead of carbohydrates for energy. Meal planning for a keto diet, therefore, revolves around this principle. You'll need to prioritize foods that are rich in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates. This way, your body can maintain its state of ketosis and efficiently burn fats. So, in essence, planning meals for a ketogenic diet is about finding the right balance between high-fat foods and low-carb foods. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to navigate your way to a successful ketogenic meal plan. Step 2. Know your macros. The ketogenic diet, often referred to as keto, is a dietary plan that focuses mainly on high-fat and very low-carbohydrate foods. The intent is to force your body to burn fats rather than carbohydrates, inducing a state known as ketosis. To understand and execute this diet effectively, one needs to comprehend the concept of macros. Macros, short for macronutrients, are the primary components of our diet: fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. In a typical ketogenic diet, the distribution of these macronutrients is heavily skewed towards fats. The consumption of fats is encouraged as it constitutes the majority of your calorie intake. The percentage stands at a whopping 70%. Proteins follow next, providing 20% of the total caloric intake. Proteins are essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially when the body is in a state of ketosis. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, are greatly limited. They make up a mere 10% of your total calorie intake. The motive behind such a small is to limit the supply of glucose, prompting the body to use stored fats for energy. To put these percentages into perspective, let's consider a daily calorie intake of 2,000. On such a diet, you'll be consuming approximately 150 grams of fat, 100 grams of protein, and a surprisingly small amount of carbs. Just 25 grams. So consuming 2,000 calories a day, you'll be eating 150 grams of fat, 100 grams of protein, and just 25 grams of carbs. Step 3. Plan your meals. The idea of meal planning may seem daunting at first, especially if you are new to the concept of macros. However, this step is crucial to your journey towards achieving your health goals and maintaining a balanced diet. This process begins with an understanding of the nutritional value that different food groups offer. It's not just about counting calories, but understanding what your body needs and adjusting your intake accordingly. Now that you've taken the time to understand macros, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. Start by focusing on nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, lean meats, and healthy fats. These foods not only provide you with essential nutrients, but also keep you satiated and energized throughout, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. For example, breakfast could be a hearty serving of scrambled eggs paired with slices of creamy avocado. This combo provides an ample amount of protein and healthy fats to kickstart your day. Moving on to lunch, a well-composed chicken salad drizzled with olive oil can offer a delightful blend and flavors while meeting your nutritional needs. Finally, dinner could be a succulent steak with a side of asparagus, a meal that perfectly combines protein and fiber. By planning your meals, not only do you ensure a steady intake of vital nutrients, but the joy of savoring diverse, delicious meals tailored to your health needs. Hence, do not underestimate the power of planning your meals strategically. It can make a significant difference in your overall health and wellness journey. Remember, it all begins with step 3, plan your meals. And step 4, prepare in advance. This is the time when you transition from planning to execution. Once you've formulated your meal plan, brimming with keto-friendly food options, it's time to hit the kitchen and cook up a storm. Seeing your kitchen turn into a keto haven, teeming with fresh, nutrient-rich, low-carb ingredients is a pivotal point in your journey towards the ketogenic diet. Prepare to sort, wash, chop, and arrange your food items in a meticulous manner. This not only streamlines your cooking process, but also paints a vivid picture of the delectable meals that are about to grace your palate. Striving to prepare your meals in advance is a strategic move to maintain your diet. With your meals ready to go, you're less likely to give in to spontaneous temptations or slip-ups. Think about it. If you have a delicious, keto-approved meal waiting for you in the fridge, you're less likely to reach out for that bag of chips or candy bar. Being organized and prepared can also save you loads of time during your hectic weekdays. Instead of scrambling to find a keto-friendly meal option, you can just reach out for your prepared meal, heat it up, and enjoy a wholesome, satisfying meal. One must remember that the ketogenic diet is not just about losing weight, but it's a lifestyle change. It demands consistent effort and discipline. Therefore, preparation plays a crucial role in sustaining this diet. Remember, consistency is key in the ketogenic diet. Step 5. Keep track. The journey towards achieving your dietary goals, particularly when adhering to a ketogenic diet, can be fraught with challenges. One common hurdle is in monitoring and regulating what you consume. That's where the crucial role of keeping track of your food intake comes into play. This strategy proves to be an invaluable tool, providing you with a clear and detailed record of your meals, snacks, and even the smallest of bites. Imagine yourself at a buffet, surrounded by a plethora of delectable dishes. You pile your plate with your favorites, but soon after, you're left wondering, did I consume too many carbohydrates, or perhaps too much fat? This is a common predicament faced by many on a ketogenic diet. But when you maintain a meticulous record of what you eat, all your doubts can be quickly clarified. A food diary or log allows you to maintain a comprehensive record of every morsel you consume. You're not just recording the meals you eat, but also the specific ingredients, portion sizes, and macros. This data can provide crucial insights into your dietary habits, helping you identify any potential pitfalls and make necessary adjustments for better results. These days, technology has made it even easier to keep a keen eye on your diet. There are numerous apps available that simplify the task of tracking your food intake. With these digital tools, all you need to do is input the food you eat, and the app does the rest. It calculates your macros, compares them with your goals, and even offers helpful suggestions to keep you on your desired path. In conclusion, keeping track of what you eat can be a helpful tool in maintaining a ketogenic diet. There are numerous apps and food diaries available to help you keep track of your macros and ensure you're on the right path. Step 6. Stay hydrated and supplement. It's beyond important, and it cannot be overstressed how crucial it is to ensure that your body is receiving the necessary amount of water every day. Even more so when beginning a lifestyle change as significant as a ketogenic diet. Water consumption plays a significant role in ensuring your body is well equipped to handle the changes in diet. When we talk about staying hydrated, it's not all about water. Your body also requires a balanced amount of electrolytes to function optimally. When you start your ketogenic journey, there is a possibility that the balance of these electrolytes might get disturbed. To prevent any adverse impacts on your health, it's recommended that you keep a close watch on your electrolyte intake. One way to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients is by taking supplements. They can act as a safeguard, filling in any nutritional gaps you might have in your diet. Magnesium, for instance, is a crucial mineral that helps in nerve and muscle function, and maintaining heart rhythm, among other things. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, are essential fats that the body can't make, hence they must be consumed in our diet. It's important that we don't overlook these supplements, as they are key in making sure our bodies are getting everything they need to function at their best. Also, consider taking supplements like magnesium and omega-3 to ensure your body is getting all the nutrients it needs. So let's quickly recap the vital aspects of meal planning for a ketogenic diet. Firstly, understand the basics. A ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat regimen. Secondly, be aware of your macros. In this diet, fats contribute 70% to your daily calorie intake, while protein contributes 20% and carbs only 10%. Thirdly, plan your meals around vegetables, meats, and healthy fats. Fourthly, preparation is key. Arrange your meals ahead of time to maintain consistency and resist temptations. Fifthly, it's crucial to monitor your macros and dietary intake to ensure you're on the correct track. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated and consider the inclusion of supplements to make certain that body is receiving all the necessary nutrients. It might seem like navigating a labyrinth, but meal planning for a ketogenic diet is about understanding, planning, preparing, tracking, and supplementing. Now, armed with this comprehensive guide, you are primed to embark on your ketogenic journey. Good luck!